So guys, I just opened this Habitat queen size bed, 153 by 203 by 45. The waterproof color protection. Got one here, but here is the look. Not sponsored by Habitat or anybody or Pillow Talk. Whenever we open it, it's always got this cute, clean cardboard box. So that's it look like. Very nice. And I got this like this. Look at that. Look at this, how thin this one here. And look at this. What a good quality. And I like the corner in the middle here because it's waterproof. Let me open it. Wow, and heavy. What a really good quality. So you invest your stuff while you're sleeping if you can. So if you're in Australia, I don't know in the other country, it's also the government since COVID, I think. What was? Oh, this really good quality, guys. I can't recommend this. Look, not the cheapest one. Oh, the OSHAP sale, because the Black Friday sale is really good price. See, they can be really expensive price if they are newer. And see, machine washable, anti-dust mite, breathable waterproof backing, polyester cotton top, and polyester peel. Oh, already on the cotton, but anyway, it's only in here anyway, so something like this demonstration, it's good. So anyway, if you're in Australia, since after 2022, I think, or yeah, after that or middle, it's an afterpay where you can do like half or four payments. So if you are struggling with your budget, which is these days is really expensive and getting higher and higher, all foods and everything, yeah, you can do like the afterpay in 4 payments. But if you want to pay in full, do so. Really good. Thank you, Australia. Good opportunity to those like us that can't afford, you know. And somebody out there, we are not rich, guys, you know. Everybody like good with a weekly payment after you pay the bills for 1 week work or 5 days work. And then you only got few bucks left. So if you buy things you need at home, you can't afford it anymore instead. Thank you, Afterpay Australia. Amazing.